reaction 9 will be nickel chloride and sodium carbonate. First, we're going to add 15 drops of nickel chloride to our 9th test tube. After we've added our 15 drops of nickel chloride, we're going to add 15 drops of sodium carbonate. Our nickel chloride and sodium carbonate solution give us a green solution with a slightly yellow precipitate. Reaction 10 is hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. We're first going to add 15 drops of hydrochloric acid. Now that our hydrochloric acid has been added, we're going to add 15 drops of sodium hydroxide. The reaction has begun to get a little warm in the test tube, but it's still a clear, colorless solution with no bubbles. The 11th reaction is ammonium chloride and sodium hydroxide. First, we're going to add 15 drops of ammonium chloride to our 11th tube. Having added our ammonium chloride, we're going to add 15 drops of sodium hydroxide. Okay. Doesn't feel warm. A light ammonia smell when we whiff, but still a clear, colorless solution. Reaction 12 is sodium acetate and hydrochloric acid. We're going to add 15 drops of sodium acetate to our 12th tube. Having added our sodium acetate, now we're going to follow it with 15 drops of hydrochloric acid. Our sodium acetate and hydrochloric acid is a clear, colorless solution with no bubbles, but it does give off a slight vinegar smell. Reaction 13 is sodium sulfide and hydrochloric acid. We're going to start off by adding 15 drops of sodium sulfide in our 13th tube. Having added 15 drops of sodium sulfide, we're now going to add 15 drops of hydrochloric acid. Our mixture of sodium sulfide and hydrochloric acid gives us a slightly cloudy solution with no precipitate falling from the solution, and a slightly rotten egg odor can be noted. Reaction 14 is lead nitrate and sodium sulfide. First, we're going to add 15 drops of lead nitrate to our 14th tube. Now that we've added lead nitrate, we're going to add 15 drops of sodium sulfide. Test tube with lead nitrate and sodium sulfide give us a blackish brown precipitate. Reaction 15 is lead nitrate and sulfuric acid. First, we're going to add 15 drops of lead nitrate to our 15th tube. Now that we've added our lead nitrate, we're going to add 15 drops of sulfuric acid. Our lead nitrate and sulfuric acid solution gives us a milky white solution and precipitate that we can clearly see falling out of solution. Reaction 16 is potassium chloride and sodium nitrate. First, we're going to add 15 drops of potassium chloride to our 16th and final test tube. Having added our potassium chloride, we're now going to add 15 drops of sodium nitrate. Our potassium chloride and sodium nitrate solution gives us no color change and no audible gases or smell.